Hello friends, it's me Abraham, and today we're gonna talk about the variable names in Python. In Python has three types of variable names. The first is the camel case, where each word except the first starts with a capital letter. The second is the Pascal case, where each word starts with a capital letter. And the third variable is the snake case, where each word is separated by an underscore character. We're gonna see some examples, and let's start. So we are gonna start with the variable names. The first is the camel case. My first name. Okay. I'm gonna place my name, Abraham. And remember, you have to place the syntax. Print. Okay. My first name. Now, I'm gonna show you the value. As you see, it shows the value. Okay. Other example. Last name. My last name. Okay, let me show you. And it appears the last name. In the second type, we got Pascal name. My first name. My first name. Okay. Now it's gonna show you the value. Okay. Other example. My phone number. Now, as you can see, it appears my phone number. So the third type, we got the snake name. Okay. Okay, you get my address. I placed Chocolate Avenue. Let me show you. Now it's gonna show you the value. Other example. I placed my brand and the value Toyota. Let me show you. Well guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel in Vida en Español con Abraham. And please share this video to your friends. Thank you so much and see ya.